Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish with Liliana. Last time we talked about the subject pronouns in Spanish. Today we will conjugate the verb to be in present. Let's begin. To be has two meanings in Spanish. It's two different verbs, ser and estar. Let's take a look at ser. Yo soy, I am. Nosotros somos, or nosotras somos, we are. For second person singular, we have tú eres, which is the informal you are, or usted es, which is a more formal you are. In plural, we have ustedes son, and it means you all are. In third person singular, we have él es for he is, and we have ella es for she is. And in plural, we have ellos son, or ellas son. And this means they are. For nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, the usage will depend on the gender of the persons. Ser tends to denote a more permanent state, whereas estar, which we'll take a look at in a moment, is a temporary state. This is not always the case, but it's a good way to start telling them apart. Let's take a look at how we would conjugate estar. It still means to be, but it's a different verb in Spanish. Yo estoy, I am. Nosotros estamos, or nosotras estamos, for we are. And we'll use nosotros for a male group or a mix of males and females, and we'll use nosotras for an all-female group. In second person, we have tú estás, you are. And we have usted está. In plural, we have ustedes están. In third person, él está. He is. Ella está. She is. And in plural, we have ellos están. Or ellas están. They are. Let's look at some examples. Because both of these verbs mean to be in English, it can get a little complicated. The more you practice, the better understanding you'll have of which one to use with what. We can say, yo soy feliz. I am happy. But we can also say, yo estoy feliz. And it also means I am happy. We can use either one with happy because generally speaking, we are always happy. But if we were to use tired, for example, I'm tired, we wouldn't say yo soy cansado. We would say yo estoy cansado because being tired is not a permanent condition. It's temporary most of the time. Another example is tú eres alto. You are tall. This is a permanent condition, so we're going to use ser. Tú estás en la ciudad. you are in the city. Whenever we're talking about a location, we will use estar. Ellos son maestros. Ellos son maestros. It means they are teachers. We'll always use ser with a profession and other nouns. Ellos están jugando. Ellos están jugando. It means they are playing. Again, it's a temporary condition and it's used before the present participle. Jugando is in present participle form. I also want to note here that I'm using the Spanish pronouns in these sentences, but they are actually not needed. The reason they are not needed is because each verb is conjugated to the corresponding person. We'll continue learning more about that in future classes. That's all I have for you today. If you need more help with the subject pronouns, go watch that video on the screen. Thank you.